This is Mahoney Travels, and this is must-try barbecue street food right here in Kampot, Cambodia. Let's dive in. One of the things that I love the most about Cambodia is morning to night, there is always a barbecue going somewhere, somehow. You can smell it in the air, the sizzling of that delicious meat, and of course, who doesn't love the old charcoal, old-fashioned smoke smell? Let's check out what we got here. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. They've got everything, guys, from telesap fish, which is I love, especially if you get the barhak with it. We got the duck heads. We've got, I think these are, I think quail, and of course they got a lot of duck here, and of course chicken. Here's the more duck here. I come here all the time, guys. This is my go-to place for barbecue when I'm in Kampot. These guys do a great job. And we'll walk down too. There's more stalls down there. We'll go check them out. We've got some side dishes here. And everything's very, very inexpensive. And of course, they do the best job, don't you? Yeah, Owen always does a great job. She remembers me. Okay, let's go check it out. Yeah. Yeah, the duck is good, yeah? See, another Westerner says the same thing, yeah. All right. We're gonna come back here and buy some food, but right now, guys, let's go check out the neighbors here, see what they got. Okay, we got some more duck here. Look at that, just beautiful. Slow roasted over the barbecue. Oh my goodness. And then we got the glazed duck as well, if you guys like a more sweeter type deal there. And of course, we've got the soup and more fish. All right, let's keep walking down and see what we got. Handmade sausages here. I haven't tried these ones yet. I might try those out, especially if they're pork. I do like the pork. And we've got a lot of fish here that's barbecued, okay? Now these fish here, they're gonna lay these out and let them dry in the sun, and then they put the flavor, it's spicy on it. And I think this is like barhak with the pork, I think I've had before. And I forget which one this is here. All right, let's go check. You guys can dine in or you can take away, and we're gonna take away today. We're gonna go eat along the river, show you guys the true experience here. And these are fish patties. This is basically minced. These usually come in like minced fish or minced pork. And here's your pork on a stick. And we got the delicious little fish. Look at these little guys here. You just eat the whole thing, dip it in spicy. Yeah, and then we got some soup. You get some food, brother? Yeah? Yeah, everybody comes here. Some more duck. Yeah, duck, chicken. Yeah, we're doing YouTube, brother. Yeah, showing you guys so everybody comes check you guys out. Oh my goodness, look at right here. They got it fresh right here. Check it out. This is what I'm talking about right here, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Slow roasted to perfection. Let's get a closer view. Wow. Duck. This is all duck. Bong said this is all duck. So everything's fresh. What I will say, guys, about Cambodia is everything's fresher than fresh. You know, in America, we get our chicken. It's been dead for a month, right? And then deep freeze. They put chemicals in it. They inject it, and then they freeze it and ship it across the country. And sometimes import it from the other side of the world. But in Cambodia, everything here was alive this morning. It's that fresh. It is literally farm fresh. So the juiciness, the tenderness is very succulent. Everything's there. Let's go, if I can get some traffic here, we'll go across the street and we will check out across the street and see what they got, all right? Let's go. One thing is for certain about Kampot, there is more street food than there are people that live here, okay? Per capita, there's more street food. I always wonder what they do with everything at the end of the day. All right, let's check out what they got here. We've got some more fish. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is lemongrass. So this here is the lemongrass. They put it inside. The Savory Show, she makes this for me a lot. I really enjoy it. It packs a really good flavor inside. Now I'm so hungry, I don't know which one to choose on. And we've got, okay, this is the lemongrass pork. Yeah, okay, lemongrass pork. And then what else we got here? We got some more fish. Okay. Bongo, what else you got here? Oh, let's show. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. And then what's in this one here on? Bong's doing a great job, yeah? Yeah, she says, come eat Cambodia food. All right, yeah, let's check it out. What else we got here? All right, we got some more. This is gonna be, is this chicken or duck, Bong? Duck? Quack. Okay, quack, quack, more quack, quack. Look at that fire, Isn't that just beautiful? All right, over here we've got on, right? You've got cow, it's called beef, okay? And so this is beef, it's all fresh here, guys, fresh today. I got some around the corner, it was really, really delicious the other night. And you've got the ribs, and they've got everything else you could want inside if you're into that. That's not Mahoney Travel's favorite, but you know, we gotta try it all. Now this is more of that lemongrass they put inside the chicken. Really good job on, thank you so much. All right, let's go back across the street and get some food for takeaway. Just so you guys know, okay, I'm gonna zoom in here for you. That's the bridge right there going into town, Kampot, National Road 3. And then let's pan back out here, okay? Over here's a huge roundabout. And if you go straight forever that way, you'll run into Sihanoukville, okay? All right, so let's recap real quick. So we've got beef across the street, we've got duck, we've got delicious chicken, and all the fixings you could want to go with it. Like I said, guys, why do I love Cambodia food now? I mean, Mexican food's always been my favorite in America, but now that I live in Cambodia, they've quickly risen to the top just because it's so fresh and so packed full of flavor. Even if you don't do spicy, there's a ton of flavor involved. Let's go order some food. All right, guys, I'm gonna order one of these here from Bong here, okay? I'm gonna do moi. Can I do moi? Chicken moi, yeah? Yeah. And then you have rice with spicy? All right, so I ordered that one there, and they're gonna warm it up a little bit. I've got rice and some spicy coming with it. I don't know if I want anything else right now. Can I get a little bit of the cook? Yeah, a little bit, yeah, the chicken, yeah. All right, I gotta pay for this here. I'm gonna use the ABA, which is so easy. You just scan the barcode, and it's done. All right, guys, my food's ready. She just handed it to me here. Alkan Trabong, thank you. Yeah, you guys come down here. I'll give you guys a location. Let's go eat. All right, let's go around the corner real quick and find a great place along the river and see what's happening and eat some dinner. If you guys like the video so far, please hit the like button. Feel free to share it and leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to heart your comment. All right, just to give you guys some perspective of where I'm at. If you look across the river here, okay, that is the video I just did a couple back. Good Morning Kampot, okay, is right there. Starbucks is right there, okay? So I'm literally across the river. You gotta go across the pedestrian bridge here, the motorbike bridge, or National Road 3 here. But this is where I usually come to eat my street food just because it's so quiet, it's all locals, and there's no tourists over here, so it's kind of nice. But let's dig in this food and check it out. This is the ambiance here. We've got the little lights on the trees, which is kind of cool. That's the big bridge over there, all right? And then, of course, across the river here, and here we are right here. We've got the delicious chicken, and we've got the delicious rice. Now, I put the spicy on my rice because I'm just weird. That's a Barang thing, I guess, and for me at least. And, of course, this is the barbecue chicken. Let's check it out. If you guys have made it this far in the video, drop a chicken emoji in the comment section down below, and I will heart it for you. I appreciate you watching this. All right, I got a dog is eyeballing me here. I think he wants some of my delicious. All right, so let's check out this chicken here. It is just cooked to perfection. It's got a nice little glaze on it. And we just put this. I got a little pepper here, and then you squeeze a little lime on it. You stir it up. It's just crazy. I mean, it just melts in your mouth. It's so fresh. I've never had chicken so fresh until I moved to Cambodia. Wow. Like I said, guys, the street food scene here in Kampot is off the hook. Yes, Phnom Penh has a lot, but oh my God, I can't get enough. Jet ski at night. I love that. There's no rules here in Cambodia. All right, let's try out this rice and see how that spicy's gonna get some kick to it here. Wow, that's pretty good. And the rice, fresh. So fresh. This is Cambodia Cola. They make Cambodia beer, Cambodia Cola, and Cambodia water. Pretty good stuff. As always, I will leave you guys the location down below, exactly where I got that street food. Just Google map it. If you got a motorbike, you can just follow it or give it to your pass-up driver. They'll know exactly where it's at. And I'll also drop the location across the river where I had it. So if you guys are here, you want to enjoy the same kind of ambiance, you certainly can do that. Or I'll also leave the right here at the beach, okay? You guys can come down and they actually will serve you here with a menu. It's all Khmer food and it is absolutely delicious. The Savory Show and I enjoy coming to the beach when we're in town, and we really have a great time here. You just can't beat Kampot. I'm torn between Siem Reap and Kampot. Let me know down in the comments below which one you would prefer and why. One of the things I love about Kampot is the street food scene and the beach scene here. It's Sunday night. It is banging out here, and there's so much people here. I like all the families and how they come out and enjoy personal time together. All right, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. How about this beach? Is this not just gorgeous out here? All right, the good is the food over there is just absolutely fresh. One of you asked me in one of the recent videos if I've ever gotten sick because I eat so much street food, and the answer is no. Sometimes I do overindulge a little bit on the spicy, but you know, that's my own thing. But I've never been sick from the food, no. Cambodia's got a long tradition of cleanliness and street food. If they won't eat it, you're not gonna eat it. Not to mention they live and die by their reputation, all right? So is it farm fresh? It's just juicy and tender. Even the beef is so like just almost like a prime rib. It's so soft. And that's for Cambodian beef, all right? Telesap fish, I call it. It's the longer fish. They're everywhere. You just use your fingers. You just literally and you dip it in some spice. You put some burahak on it. You wrap it up with some cabbage and you eat it like a taco. It's very, very good. It's a community food. Maybe we'll try that next time. But so the bad would be if you are EBGB again about street food or anything in the nature, maybe you want to try it. But I can tell you, if you do, once you try it, you will always eat it because it's so good. And once you take that first, like get past the whole Western, everything's got to be frozen and like wash your hands, everything's crazy, you'll realize just how safe the food is to eat here. And most importantly, how delicious it is. I spent $2 on, I got chicken, I got the lime, the pepper, and the rice, all right? $2. Chicken is a little more expensive here in Kampot than it is in Siem Reap by about $1 actually, because of the import cost from Siem Reap. There's no chicken farms here. This is mostly a fishing community. So seafood's really cheap here. You can also get the ocean seafood versus Siem Reap. You'll pay more for the ocean seafood because it's trucked up there. But here, the chicken's brought in for closer by farm. I think actually by Phnom Penh, but at any rate. If you guys haven't checked out the latest work from Mahoney Travel, check out the Savourly Show. I will leave you guys down below a link for that channel. Definitely check it out. It's brand new, lots of cookie stuff, Khmer style, and of course, one hell of a beautiful Cambodian woman named the Savourly Show. Till next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. See you guys.